Welcome to the report of new Motorola G22, and I'll show you how to change notification sounds on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that tap here on the sounds and vibration. Here scroll a little bit down and you'll see the default notification sound section. Now we have selected the motor. We can switch it just by select one from this available notifications. Also we can add our custom notification sound, but how to do that you should find another video on our HardReset YouTube channel. So just now select one from this sounds, then just click here to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully changed our notification sound to another one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.